What up guys, welcome to the first episode of the 1 million funded challenge, a series where I'll be showing you every single trade I take till I become funded with $1 million. The idea basically is the following. I'll be showing you the before the trades on every single day, opening my MT5, showing you my pending orders, telling you, yo, these are my pending orders. I already placed the pending orders on my MT5, and also showing you the outcomes of the trades while I'm also holding each position. I'll be also opening every single dashboard on every single platform challenge I have, giving you the most recent updates on them so that you can keep track on my journey and make things super transparent and legit. So without further ado, let's just jump to the first day, Monday, October. I don't know what specifically, but let's just jump into it real quick. So today is Tuesday, October 28th, and I'm going to show you the trades I just kind of like took, as well as my the setups I'm interested to take. So the first one, GBP a super fast take profit. So we can see liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap. I entered in this 0.75 fib, targeted on 1, 2, 3 risk reward, and we had a plus 3R in this case. I risked 1% on every single challenge. So on my 3 blueberry funded challenges, 50k challenges, as well as on my FTMO 50k challenge as well. So in all 1%, so we made 3% profit. And then I took a loss on this one. I don't know why it says TP. Stop loss. And same things. This was a more kind of like a bigger range, but the same idea. Nice break of structure, fair value gap, targeting a 1, 2, 3 risk reward. And in this one, I lost a -1R. So those were the two trades. And these are kind of like the positions I'm interested in taking for this week. Of course, I need to wait for price to retrace. And these are, so liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap. Same thing, my entry at the 0.75 fib for a 1 to 3. GBP similar to USD CAD. This one right here. And NSET DCHEV price unfortunately left me behind for literally less than, I don't know, like look at how close it was. Super close. I was waiting for this long position, but price never filled my order and I canceled this pending order already. So that's what I'm seeing right now on Tuesday, October 28th, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Oh, and by the way, because today is the first day I'm starting to document this super seriously and consistently, I want to show you how my challenges look like today. So on Tuesday, October 28th. So let me just show you real quick how they look. So I have 3 challenges on Blueberry. They're all 50k accounts, as well as one 50k account on FTMO. So this is the first one. We are currently up $1,317. So it's not bad at all. That's how it looks. You can see the account number here for transparency purposes. Then this one, a super low win rate in this one as well. But we're also up $51,399. You can see all my trades as well. And then this is my most recent account, which is right now $1,455, or almost 2% up. It's new, like you guys can see. I only took one trade so far on GBP, the winning trade. So that's how they all look. And then on FTMO, this is my 50k account. So we can see we're currently up a little bit in profit, like $45 in profit. So it's at break even right now. And we were almost like super close to almost below the account. So a huge drawdown, and then we came back and now we're at break even. So these are the accounts I'll be documenting throughout this next couple of days, this next couple of weeks. And of course, if I get new challenges or anything, I'll let you guys know on this videos as well with full transparency, so that we can together keep a super consistent track on my challenges to see how long it takes me to get funded with $1 million in funding capital. All right, today is Wednesday, October 29th, 2025. And I want to give you a quick update on everything. So basically right now, there's a couple of opportunities that I'm checking out. I didn't take any trades yesterday. We're still exactly the same as we left the market from before. So from taking that take profit on GBP and the stop loss on Euro AUD, if I'm not mistaken. And those are kind of like the last trades I've taken so far. And I want to show you what I'm seeing right now at the markets. By the way, I don't have any pending orders yet, and I'm not placing any pending orders maybe today, because I don't like the market conditions right now. But I do have some couple of setups that I might be interested in taking. So first, USD CAD. This one, it's not my favorite because I have like a soft roll where if my 0.5 FIB level exceeds the breakout structure, which is here, so in here, you can see that it's lower than this. Sometimes I consider this as overextended, but of course this is valid, so I'm going to keep it there and keep monitoring by putting an alarm in this area, around this area here. Then I have GBP this short position, liquidity sweep breakout structure. Same thing in here. We can see that the 0.5 FIB, it's lower than my actual breakout structure, so I'm going to be monitoring this. CAD-CHEF, this one is much better. You can see that the 0.5 FIB is actually in our range. So from this, and this, that's our range. So I'll be waiting for price to retrace. I'm going to set an alert. Then USD-CHEF, similar thing, and you're going to notice that all the ending pairs in CHEF, most of them have the same setup. So we saw CAD-CHEF, USD-CHEF, Euro-CHEF, and NZD-CHEF. They're all in buying opportunities right now, and I don't like taking every single pair that it's correlated in the same position. So most likely if they start retracing, I'm going to start filtering out and maybe take 2 of those 4 possible setups. So like I said, I haven't placed any pending orders right now. And then Euro CAD, this one. So as you can see, they need, like, price still need to retrace. That's why I'm setting some alerts on my pairs. I'm going to be monitoring them. And if I decide to take one of the trades, you're going to notice tomorrow, Thursday, if I decide to take one of the setups or not. So that's kind of like my market analysis so far. No pending orders set at the moment. Most likely CAD-CHEF is going to be placed very soon. Same thing as this one's, right? The ones that are correlated, as well as this. And we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted, guys, and we'll be back tomorrow, Thursday. What's going on, guys? So today's Thursday, October 30th, 2025 in Vancouver, currently 3:20 p.m. Let me just minimize this real quick. And we're just going to see what's going on in the markets as of right now. So first of all, starting with USD CAD, I'm not in this position yet. I have a pending order in this case, and the reason why I'm not in this position, it's because the following. You guys know that this was on my not pending order, because it wasn't like a pending order on my MT5, but it was one of my trades on my watch list that I wanted to take. But before I went to sleep yesterday, price was around this area, so this candle here. I woke up and immediately, literally, while sleeping, price created this huge candle to the upside. And of course, I was sleeping, so I wasn't able to enter. My alarm got tagged, but I was sleeping, so this wasn't, like, I wasn't able to actually set and place this pending order on my MT5. It's already placed. I'm going to show you in a second. But of course, I'm just waiting for price to reverse and see if we can actually get tagged. But this is one of the positions right here. Then I have another pending order on GBP-CHEF, this one, and another pending order on Euro and NZD. And then I have a couple of setups on my watch list that I'm waiting for price to retrace. You guys can see my alarms in here in the 0.5 FIB. So this one, EuroCAD, CAD-CHEF, USD-CHEF, NZD-JPY, USD-JPY, Euro-JPY. In all of them, you can see my roll, so liquidity sweep, breakup structure, fair value gap, and Euro-USD. So there's a bunch of opportunities. Honestly speaking, the market, it's very volatile right now and with a lot of movement and liquidity, which I really like. So we'll see what happens. But overall, I'm just waiting for these 3 main positions right now, which, by the way, I only can risk in total 5% because I'm trading prop firm challenges. On my personal capital, I can risk however I want. I actually risk 2% per trade on my personal capital account. But on prop firms, I can only risk 5% in total. So that's why I'm risking 1% per trade. So at the moment, if all of these pending orders get tagged, I'll be risking 3% in the table. So I still have a 2% buffer, but honestly speaking, I don't know. And I don't think that all of these positions are going to get tagged at the same time, which we'll have to see. But like, for example, this one, price is already going down without us. So we'll see what happens. And I wanted to show you my MT5 right now to show you the position. So this is one of the Blueberry funded accounts. So one of the 50K challenges. It's currently sitting at a little bit more than 2% profit, almost 3%. Yeah, actually almost 3% profit. And as you guys can see, this is the Euro NZD order right here, GBP-CHEF in here, and then USD CAD. Like you guys can see, my pending order is there. I'm just hoping and waiting to see if maybe price can retrace, tag this in, and then move to our expected direction. But so far, as it looks, it's going to be a missed trade, and unfortunately, we weren't able to actually enter this short position. So that's kind of like the update for now, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. What up, guys? How's everything going? Today's Friday, October 31st, 2025. It's currently 4:40 p.m. Vancouver time, and I'm gonna just dive into the market, show you how the market closed. So first, I'm currently in 2 trades, so I'm holding 2 trades, Euro NZD and USD CAD. This one right here. Euro NZD is risk-free already, so my stop is already at my entry, so I'm not losing anything in this trade in case it reverts back to my entry. And USD CAD, I'm still waiting for a price to reach my 1-1 to be able to move my stop loss to break even. It was super close to hit my stop loss, but we're still in the position, so that's nice. I'm gonna actually show you my MT5 as proof. There's always, like, the main idea is to keep everything full transparent with you guys. And as you guys can see, I'm currently holding 2 trades in here. So the first one, Euro NZD, and this one, USD CAD. So one in profit, one in a little bit in drawdown. So this is the first trade, and the other one, USD CAD, this one right here. This is a 50K account on FTMO, so one of the challenges. Of course, I took the same exact position on my other 3 challenges with Blueberry Funded. So I'm currently holding these 2 trades in my 4 50K challenges. And then I have 3 pending orders, like right now, placed on my MT5, which is NZD JPY, Euro JPY, and GBP CHF. This one right here, this is super close to tag this in. And here's also some proof. These are the 3 pending orders right here in my MT5. And I have a couple of orders like on my watch list. For example, this one just broke structure to the downside, so the most likely if price starts breaking with body, this becomes invalid for me. CAD CHF, this is now leaving us behind, so if same thing, if it starts breaking structure to the upside with the body, then I'll forget about this one and delete this idea. USD JPY, I'm just waiting for price to go down. USD CHF, look at this, started to break structure to the upside with the body, which start extending a little bit. Like it started, if it keeps going up and up, I'll start to overextend my fib, and this type of occasions I just remove my order. And Euro USD, this was a short position I had, but my main idea was for price to reach and kind of like break this equal lows. It did already, so this trade idea becomes not invalid but less likely to play out. So I'm going to consider if taking this one in the next week or not, in case if it starts to reverse back to my entry. So those are the trades, and that's how basically we closed the week. So now that the markets are closed, let me just open my dashboards and show you how I'm doing on every single profit challenge. Okay, so starting with the first account, FTMO, a 50K challenge, I'm currently at break even. You guys can see the balance, it's basically at break even level. My equity is a $50,520, which is around 1% profit because I'm holding 2 trades, like I said before. And this is my profit target. There's still a lot of way to go, but this is how I'm doing break even, holding a profitable trade, like a trade that is risk free, and a trade that is around my entry level. So not bad at all. So this is the first account here. The next one on Blueberry Funded, this one is at almost 3% profit, 2.91% to be exact. And I'm currently the same thing, holding 2 trades. So if I click here on open trades, I currently have 2 trades running, USD CAD and Euro NZD, the same exact trades on every single account. So this is one of the accounts. The other one also at around almost 3% profit. This one 2.63% in profit. And same thing, holding USD CAD and Euro NZD. So this is how I'm doing. You can see that the win rate in this one is not the best. I'm actually trading this account since July 14th, 2025. So I've had this account for a while. So not the best win rate, but I'm still in profit, which is actually what matters. And the last one also in profit, almost 3% as well, like the same, like the first Blueberry Funded account. And I want to show you also the open trades, the same 2 trades, USD CAD and Euro NZD. So let's hope that we can win both trades. That will put our account in a very high profit. And yeah, that's how my accounts are looking at the moment. So I'll keep you guys posted. Stay tuned for the episode 2 next week, and I'll see you guys later. Take care.